Okay na? One?
Bible
So
John.
yun, sinasabi ko yun, it's always my prayer that the Lord will continue to bless your life. At sana someday makita ko kayong very good and you will enjoy your life. And the family. Ganun din sa mga kapatid mo. So, I love you and hope that you can come home also someday or soon. Before I close, I want to show you also the improvement of the School of Lynette na lahat ito gawa ni Papa Le. Siya lahat nag-paint, siya lahat naggawa ng mga carpentry. So, tingnan mo ang improvement pakita ni Joshua. Dito si Lynette also. Lynette, do you like to say something?
Hi, Kuya.
Ay, kuya.
I'm the director sa Fruits and Mixed Learning Center.
Kadiri naman yan.
I love you. I miss you, brother.
Pakita mo na si Papa, i-video mo si Papa na nagtatrabaho. Sige na. Yun. Si Papa mo nagtatrabaho. Oh, Jun, I love you, bye-bye. Oh, sito na sa iyo si Lynette. Oh, yan ang school. Oh, yan ang
Logo of Fruits and Wings. This is our PE uniform, our school ID. And this is our school uniform for boys. Ayan, ito yung for girls. See, andyan yung logo natin, June. So, as of now, we have 9 enrollees. Hope magkaroon pa ng more enrollees this week. Okay? Ayan, ito ang new table namin, newly painted. Ito yung tables namin. Ang colors ng table namin is rainbow colors. Ito yung new floor namin kasi naglagay kami ng linoleum. Brother.
Papalay say hi to Tito June.
All around yan.
Hi, John. My dates.
All around. Manager, janitor. Ako, finance and manager yan. Electric fan, pakita mo. Ito mga new investment
Yan,
namin.
yung mga bago electric fan. Blackboard. Yan. At ito yung pinipaint ni Papa Le. Okay.
Ito pa yung unang student namin.
Pakita ko sa graduate.
Okay, bye-bye. Okay, ulit. Joseph, say bye-bye.
Washing the dishes.
Mama, say,
Bye,
nagbabay ka na.
kuya.
Papalay say bye-bye. Ready, 1,